Hi, I'm Sasha. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the best beauty subscription boxes. Most of these are monthly services where you get a bunch of new beauty products. Sometimes they're products that have been out for a while, sometimes they're brand new things, and they range from sample sizes to deluxe samples and even full sizes. If you'd like to hear more about any particular box, I also have several videos talking about services like IPSY and BoxyCharm, so I'll be sure to link those below. So first we have the Allure Beauty Box. This one is about $15 a month. I think they have an intro rate around $10. And basically it's a box that is pre-selected by Allure's beauty editors. So you don't get a choice of the products that are in the box. They're not customized to you. They're basically just what's popular, what people are buzzing about. So you get one box each month about this size, and it typically has about 5 to 7 products. My Allure Beauty Box for December 2019 featured a full-size First Aid Beauty Priming Moisturizer, a deluxe Briogeo Farewell Frizz hairstyling product, 2 deluxe products from Anastasia Beverly Hills, including the Moonchild Glow Highlighting Kit, a full-size liquid lipstick in Bohemian, and then a deluxe trial size of their Clear Brow Gel. For $15 a month, the Allure Beauty Box is definitely a high value box. For example, the Anastasia highlighter palette would retail for $40 alone. Unfortunately, it doesn't take into account a lot of customization options like other beauty subscription boxes, so I end up getting a lot of colors that are close but not quite things I'd use, or things that I want to give away to friends instead. What I do like about the box though is that it often tends to pay for itself, especially if you like even one thing in the box. And I also like it because it exposes me to a lot of new trendy products. At $15 a month, this is definitely worth considering, especially if you like what's new and popular in the beauty world. Next, we have BoxyCharm. This one is about $25 a month and usually contains several full-size products. BoxyCharm also allows you to select one of your own products each month, so you know that you're getting something you like. My December 2019 BoxyCharm included an Aesthetica brush cleanser, a Ciate Marble Light Blush, the Elemis Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil, which was actually the item that I selected from their options, the Brow Bar Brow Makeover Kit, which includes powders, a pomade, and a brow gel, and the Storybook Cosmetics Fairy Tale Eyeshadow Palette. This one is made to look like a book and has 6 different colors based around the theme of Robin Hood. BoxyCharm is great because it includes full-size products for a very reasonable price. They often include brands like Ciate and Tarte, which can be very expensive at Sephora, and so the box can easily pay for itself. One thing I like is that they do have a survey, and so the products are more customized to you. However, they do include a lot of brands that have been new to me. It's a great way to discover new products, but if you are looking for a box that always has like Sephora brand items, this probably isn't going to be it. BoxyCharm is great if you like full sizes and discovering new products for a reasonable price. Next, we have Play by Sephora. Play by Sephora is $10 a month, which gets you 5 deluxe trial sizes and usually 1 bonus sample as well. Products come mailed in this cardboard box, and then they're packed in this sort of reusable plastic bag. My December 2019 Play by Sephora box included a gel eyeliner pencil by Marc Jacobs, Grand Drama Mascara by Grand Cosmetics, Way Body Cleanser, Tarte Drink of H2O Moisturizer, Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream, and my bonus sample was this Dry Bar Shampoo and Conditioner. The bonus sample is often a perfume or a foil packet like this hair product or a moisturizer. I love how Play by Sephora is a very affordable $10 a month, and the trial sizes are actually pretty generous. I rarely end up finishing them up, so it's a really good value for me. If you're the kind of person who loves going into Sephora for samples and always wishes you had more, I highly recommend looking at it. I also recommend going on Sephora.com because they often offer previous month's boxes. If you look at Play by Sephora, you can look at what's in each box, and for $10 decide if that's a good value for you. Next, I have Petibor. This is a cruelty-free makeup subscription box. In my December 19 Petibor Plus subscription, I got a Pacifica Stellar Gaze mascara, an O'Shea Atmosphere Protection Cream, a Blissoma Clay Mask, Le Prunier Plum Facial Oil, and the Underarm Bar. Petibor is one of the best cruelty-free boxes on the market. They have a survey, and so they try to take your color preferences into account. Petibor has a regular beauty box around $15 a month, and the Petibor Plus, which is full-size products, at $25 a month. It's a pretty high value box, but occasionally I find that you get some somewhat random things like the Scar Treatment Gel or Underarm Bar. However, if you are interested in trying out new cruelty-free beauty products, it's an excellent service. Last but not least is my absolute favorite beauty box subscription service, which is IPSY. First is the IPSY Glam Bag, which contains 5 sample size items. By far, I think this is one of their best values, and it's only about $12 a month. You get a cosmetic bag every month. One of the best things about IPSY is that they really try to take your personal preferences into account. Even with their glam bag, you get to choose one product. So this month, which was December 2019, I got to choose the Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara. This is a really great mascara, and I wanted another trial size for an upcoming giveaway. Also in my December 2019 glam bag was the Jolie Cosmetics Liquid Lipstick, the H2O Oasis Hydrating Treatment, Suva Beauty Single Eyeshadow, and Tarte Bronzer. By far my favorite thing about IPSY is their add-on program. Each month they'll show you what you're getting in your box ahead of time, and then they'll offer a bunch of other full-size and trial-size products for you to select from as well. Usually costs about $12 for a full-size product and $3 for a trial-size product. But what I love about this is that you get to select the exact color and product that you want, and it's usually a very good price. This month, for example, I got an eco-friendly, cruelty-free makeup brush for $3, and these 2 deluxe trial-size Tarte blushes for only $3 each. For $25 a month, IPSY also offers the Glam Bag Plus. This has 5 full-size products in it, and it also allows you to access the add-ons as well. In my December 2019 Glam Bag Plus, I got a full-size Tarte Double Duty Stay Spray, this Evolue facial oil, a Complex Couture eco-friendly vegan bronzer brush, 2 natural lip balms from Noya, a larger cosmetic bag, and I selected this IPSY eyeshadow palette in purple and peach tones. One of my favorite things about the Glam Bag Plus is they often include eyeshadow palettes or contour palettes or other things like that that are big ticket items. For $25, they really do provide a lot of value, and I do like how they customize it to your survey. If I had to recommend just one service, it would absolutely be the IPSY Glam Bag. If you like full-size products, you should look into BoxyCharm or the IPSY Glam Bag Plus. If you're into cruelty-free and vegan products, I recommend looking at Pedivore and Vegan Cuts. Allure and Sephora Play are also great options if you like sampling new makeup and want to stay on top of beauty trends. If you've tried these or other beauty boxes, I'd love to know. Please leave a comment and tell me what your favorite has been or what you'd love to try. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video has been helpful, and have a wonderful day.